Missing the Parmesan cheese flavor in your meals because you're new to a plant-based diet or you can't eat dairy? Don't worry, today I will show you 3 quick and delicious vegan Parmesan recipes. One rich cashew version, one made with hemp, and a brand new nut-free alternative.
Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen.
Let's make the first recipe. The classic cashew parmesan is creamy, cheesy, and perfect. This is my favorite. In a food processor, I love to use a small one. Add the cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic and onion powder, and salt. Then pulse a couple of times until it looks like fine crumbs. And of course, you can adapt the texture to your liking. Now let's make a nut-free parmesan with hemp. If you are short on time or avoiding nuts, this version is for you. It's quick, simple, and you only need 3 ingredients. But first, let me share with you that I love this coffee spice grinder in my kitchen for this type of recipes. Mix the hemp seeds, nutritional yeast, and garlic salt. Pulse a couple of times and it's ready. It's a great Parmesan cheese alternative and I love it. And another way to do it is just mix all the ingredients together and it's going to be more crumbly but still same flavor. And finally, here you have a nut-free Parmesan that is just as flavorful. For this version, we're going to use pumpkin seeds. This recipe is easy, budget-friendly, and so delicious. In a food processor, combine the pumpkin seeds. We are going to use raw and unsalted. Add nutritional yeast and garlic salt. Pulse a couple of times until it becomes light and crumbly, and that's it. It's allergy friendly, budget friendly, and full of cheesy umami flavor. Perfect for anyone avoiding nuts or looking for a new twist. And there you go, 3 easy Parmesan recipes that are perfect for adding that cheesy touch to any of your meals. See you in the next recipe. Bye.